this is a screencast for the project Vehicle Manufacturer Records. So in this project, there are two tables: manufacturer, which is the parent table, and the vehicle, it is the child table. So in the CRD, we can see the relationship among them. One manufacturer can build many vehicles, and many vehicles are built by one manufacturer. So now let us study some analytical functions which are used in SQL to help us to achieve more flexibility and good efficiency in the output. So firstly, we would just see how does the data looks in the table, both the tables. So we have done the select star from manufacturer. So this is the data, and we can also see some columns like select vehicle underscore ID, make comma model from vehicle. So there are 500 rows in the vehicle table. So now let us study the first analytical function, which is dense rank. So the dense rank basically helps us to get the ranking for the specific column which we want. So here, as we can see that we have written the query, select M name, the manufacturer name, vehicle model, vehicle year launched, dense rank over partition by. So in the partition by, we have to mention the column name which from which we want to perform the partition. So we have mentioned the manufacturer name, order by which column we want to order by the query, and this is the alias, vehicle underscore launch underscore rank. So from vehicle comma manufacturer, where we have made the connection between both the tables by using the primary keys, and we have to find for the manufacturer named Aubrey and Brenna, and we have ordered by the manufacturer name and the vehicle year launched. So as you can see that the year launched for the Mazda is 2006, and for the A4 it's also 2006. So the both the ranks are similar, 5 and 5. So the next rank is not starting from 7, because as it is a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it should have start from 7. But as you can see that the dense rank helps us to give a proper rank to all the rows of the data. So 5 occurs 2 times, and after that 6 occurs. So that's where dense rank is used. There is a another function called rank. So it basically just gives the ranking for the column. So here we will see that. Yeah, here you can see we have given the select, the manufacturer, country, the model, the year withdrawn, the rank sequence. And then as you can see in the output, the first rank is first for the 2022, and as you can see for 2023 there is repetitive, it repeats for 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So as you can see the rank repeats itself, 2, 2, 2 and 2, but the next rank should have start with 3, but it is starting from 6 because it is just following the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the next would be 6. So that's why here 6 is mentioned. So that's why we use dense rank instead of the rank, so that we get a proper ranking for the columns. So there is also a function called the first value. So from the first value we can get the first value of the column which we want, first value and the last value. So as you can see in the query, we have mentioned the first value for the annual turnover and the last value for the annual turnover. So this is the annual turnover column. So the first, and this is the partition by the group by specialism. So as you can see for the categories diesel, electric, hybrid and petrol, the annual turnover is 18580. So that is the lowest. So it gives, so it is the first value. So it gives the first value, And as you can see, the highest value, the last value for the diesel is 43230. So as you can see, 43230 comes in the output. So let's check for the petrol also. For the petrol, the first value is 7931, and same goes with the output. And in the last value is 46845. So 846845 gets printed over every row of the data. So this was the first value and last value. Now we would like to see the now we would like to see the average, max, and the mean functions. So let us fire a query. In this we wanted the average of the engine cc of the vehicle and the maximum value of the engine cc. So as you can see that we have declared the function, and here is the output. Let us go through a last function, which is nth value. So nth value basically helps us to get the value which we actually need, which we are mentioning. So let's see. So we have firstly we have break the output with the base of the market feedback. So the output looks good through it. As we can see, the syntax nth value selling price comma 4 from the first over partition, and we have also declared one more column, nth value selling price comma 4 from the last over. So as you can see that for the 4, as you have mentioned, selling price comma 4, so the fourth value from the selling price, 1 2 3 and 4, the fourth value is 408 555, sorry, and the fourth minimum selling price is 408 555, so it gets printed. And for the fourth maximum selling price, as we have mentioned from the last over, so it goes descending. So you can see the last value from the descending order is 1 2 3 and 4. The fourth value is 51115. So the 5115 gets printed all over the rows. So this is the analytical function, and it basically helps us in SQL to perform the queries more efficiently and get more meaningful output. So that would be all for this screencast. Thank you.